Welcome back and let's continue with the series of Python by WS Cube Tech. I'm Nehal and this particular video will talk about the where statement. So let's get started. So in the previous video we have talked about how you can just view all your records that is inside your table and you can just display it over here inside your Python, that is over your console, right? So we made use of the select statement. And now, when we are talking about this where statement, so what you can do is you can just filter that record. That means when you are just selecting a particular record, so you can just filter that record. So we'll just see that how you can just filter that thing. So the first step over here is I will just say import mysql dot connector, and once I have imported the module over here, I'm just going to say that my sql.connector.connect, and inside this I will pass the argument over here. So I will say host is equal to localhost, then I have the user, so it is root, then I have the password argument, so I will say password 1234, then I have the database. Database, and the database name over here is employee database. So I will just say employee underscore db. That's it. I will just store this inside a variable name. So I will say my database is equal to. That's it. Now what I want to do is I want to just create the cursor object. So for that I will just say mydb.cursor, and once I have called this cursor object over here, now I can just execute my query. Once I have just created the cursor object, so I will just put this inside x is equal to my db, and I will say x dot execute, and inside this I will just write my query. So in order to just write the query for the where statement, what I just want to do is I will just write select star from and the table name. So the table name is emp underscore details. And what I want to do is I have to make use of this where statement. So what simply I'm doing is I'm just filtering my records. That is, I just don't want the entire record. So what I'm just saying that select star from emp details where, and I'm just going to specify where name is equal to, say the name is Rahul. We know that first record is our Rahul. So I will simply say where the name is Rahul, and that's it. And now what I'm just going to do is, in order to just display view that record, what I'm just going to say is I will say x dot fetch all, and I will just store this inside my result, and I will just say print result. That's it. So I'm just going to get the record for that Rahul. So I'm just specifying from the where condition, I'm filtering my record. All right. So you can just go it with this way. You can, instead of Rahul, you can go with the ID. So if I just say that, say for example, where ID is equal to, say, we'll just check like what all IDs we have. So suppose I want this Rutuja. So I will just mention the 5. So I will just say where ID is 5. And you can see over here that we are getting the result that where id is equal to 5. So Python has fetched that particular record from our table. So this is how we make use of the where statement over here. Now one more thing I want to show you over here is with where you can even make use of this keyword. So how you're going to use it, like keyword is used it will display you the record like a particular from the starting point or from the end point or in between. If you just pass whatever the phrase, or if you just pass a letter, so it will just display you all the records starting with that letter or the phrase that you have mentioned. So we'll see that with the help of an example. So suppose I have this select star from table name, where if I just want to display now, see, I will just go over my MySQL workbench, and you can see that I have this developer. All right. So what if I would just want to just I will pass that dev. So I will just say that wherever you find this dev, you display me the record over here. So I will just pass this as this is nothing but my phrase, right? Dev, it is a group of letters. So I will just say that where department, where department like, and over here what I want to do is inside my quotes I will just say percentage, and I will just mention that phrase. So I will just say DEV and percentage. That's it. Now I will just run it over here. So you can see that I'm getting this developer and developer. So this is what you can just do it with this where statement, and by making use of this like. Now what I was just going to do is I just want this in not in the list form, just in a tuple form. So simply what I can just do over here is I will just create a for loop. So I will say for I in result, and I will say print I, and I will just comment this statement. That's it. So you can see over here, I'm getting the result in tuple form. All right, this is much more easier to understand. So wherever there is this dev dev, so inside my department column, so it has displayed this thing. Now suppose I can just change up over here. Like suppose I can just jump up to this MySQL workbench, and suppose that inside my name I have to just display. Suppose now I will just say that I can just mention a letter, suppose R. So I can just go up over here and I will just say name, and inside my like I will just declare R. That's all. So it will just fetch that records. It will just fetch all the records, that is wherever it will see the R, it is going to fetch that thing. So you can see over here it's Rahul, and here also R is there. Then in Pratik also it's there. Then Dhanashri also it's there. Then in Rutuja also. So by make use of this like, you can just put that phrase, or you can say a letter inside this, and it will just display you all the records which are starting with it, which are ending with it, or whether that particular value is contained inside your any record inside your table. And we can even check for one more. Suppose for example over here, if I just say O, so I will just say over here is O, and you can see over here like it says nothing, because you can see inside my name over here. So inside my name you are saying that I don't have any of the character the O inside my any of the, neither it is starting, neither it is ending with O, neither it is containing any O over here. But what if I just mention this department instead of name? So I will just say where department, and now it will just fetch that result. So it will just say that it is fetching that thing, because you can see come up over here and see that inside your department you are having this O, that right. So it will just say fetch all. So in as soon as this developer is having O, so it will just give you this whole record. Then over here it will give you, then this developer it will give you. So you are going to get this all records over here, instead of in case of content writer also you are having this thing. So this is how you can just make use of the like, and like with the where statement. So it will simply just what it will do, it will just fetch that particular it will just search for this keyword in this mentioned your column name. So in the department, suppose this O is there, so it will just give you all the record that is in having that particular letter or phrase. All right. So this was how you can just make use of this where statement over here. So we just saw that by using this where statement, you can just filter out your records, and it will just filter you out. So suppose in the first step, we didn't make use of this like, we just simply said that select star from EMP where department is equal to say SEO. So it was just you were getting that particular record. And in this case, what we did is we even make use of this like keyword. So what this like will do is, like, whatever you are, in order to just mention this, you have to write this like, and inside this quotes you have to mention in exclamatory symbol, and inside this you can just pass a single letter, or it can be a group of letters, it can be a phrase. So this was all about how you can use where statement. So I hope you are clear with this thing. In the next video, we'll see about some more statements that we can use with this MySQL, because we are just trying to uh, code in Python, and we are just connecting with the external database, that is our MySQL. So let's check out some more statements over there. So see you over there.